How to determine if a THT solder joint is qualified. Evaluation of THT through hole technology solder joints. It can be evaluated from the following aspects. Wettability. The solder joint should exhibit good wettability with full wetting between the solder and the pad or lead. The contact angle should be 90 degrees. The solder volume should be appropriate, sufficient coverage without excessive overflow. Surface characteristics. The solder joint surface should be smooth, free of burrs, voids, or gaps. A qualified solder joint typically has a concave shape, thicker in the center and thinner at the edges. Mechanical strength. The solder joint must have sufficient mechanical strength to ensure it does not detach due to vibration or impact during product use. For double-sided or multi-layer boards, the fillet rate through hole fill must also be inspected. Generally, it should exceed 75%. This means the visible fillet rate on the board. The surface should be higher than 75%. For automotive and medical electronics, the fillet rate must reach 100%. Visual inspection. Use a magnifier or higher magnification microscope to examine the solder joint. Check for defects such as cold joints, bridging, or short circuits. For SMT solder joints, evaluate the edge thickness and solder volume adequacy. If solder joint quality issues arise during production, touch-up rework can be API'd for improvement, but care must be taken to avoid introducing new defects. Additionally, utilize specialized X-ray inspections, cross-sectioning equipment, microscopes, or fluorescent penetrance for more precise analyses.